in this video I'm going to show you how to make your orange peels. Now I'm using this small quantity, but actually we're doing the whole of this. The whole of this is what we're doing. The whole of this is what we're doing. So yeah, I just want to show you. So first of all, after peeling the orange from the, you understand, it's just like the way we did with the orange oil. You peel it, you make sure that everything is neat, and you know it doesn't have those whitish stuff. It's just only this. That's when you can get your maximum result. So you allow this to dry in until it is very, very dry, like very, very dry. I'm trying to show you how wet it is, so we're going to leave this until it's completely dry. Then we're going to blend it, you know, to give us our actual result. So yeah, I just want to show you the first thing. So the next time I'm going to show you how dry it is, and we continue with our work. All right. Hi guys, so this is the dry orange peels. I left it in the sun for 3 weeks and it's completely dry. Now when you notice, this is how it looks when everything is completely dry. So I just wanted to show you guys. So I'm just going to take this to the blender and blend everything. So as soon as I'm done, I will show you the you know, the powdered version of it. So yeah. So now after blending, this is what it looks like. You blend it to a fine particles. Like if you want it to be smoother than this, you just get your sieve and sieve all of this ones. But sometimes I normally like it like this. So when I use it on my soap, it gives this scrub feeling to it, and it's really, really good. So yeah, this is how you make your orange peels. And yeah, have a great day. And if you like this video, I would really love you to subscribe before you go. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, share this video, and God bless you. Have a great day. Bye.